welcome to my channel Unique Touch by Needu. Today we are going to make beetroot squash. Before going to the recipe, we'll see what are the benefits of beetroot. Beetroot is the one which boosts the energy as well as it improves the brain function, and also it balances the blood pressure. Beetroot has the capacity to detoxify the body as well as it will increase the immunity and it improves the circulation. Beetroot also cleanses the blood as well as it gives a healthy skin. Because of the high fiber content, it also increases weight loss, and beetroot is rich in folic acid, so it's very good for the pregnant ladies. Now we'll go and see the recipe. So to make the beetroot squash, I have taken half kg beetroot. This beetroot I have chopped in the chopper, or else you can grate it in the grater. So this is half kg. Now I am putting it in the pressure cooker. I have poured into the pressure cooker. Now you can add water up to the level of beetroot. I have added water up to the level of beetroot. You can say it. Now you have to cook this for 4 whistles. Now it's been 4 whistles. It's cooked and I have kept it to cool down. Now the beetroot is being cooled down. I'm going to strain it out. We'll strain it with the strainer. Don't throw away the remaining pieces of beetroot. We need it for later purpose. Now we have collected all the juices. You need to measure this. Measure this. So now I have measured it with this glass. It's almost 3 glasses. So I have taken 3 glasses of sugar, the same amount as that of the juices. Now I am going to make the sugar syrup. So for that I have kept a pan. I am adding in the 3 glasses of sugar. To the sugar I am adding 1 glass of water. Now mix it well. Allow it to dissolve. Till you get a completely diluted sugar syrup. Now it's completely diluted, so you should get a 1 string consistency. That means when you dip one finger and press against the other finger, you should get a string in between that. That is 1 string consistency. Now this is 1 string consistency. So I'm going to add the juice. The juice which we have strained and kept. Moreover, I am going to add the beetroot paste. Whatever the beetroot was left over, that I have taken and made it into a paste. Now I am going to add this to the sugar syrup mix. This will give a thick consistency to our squash. Mix it well. Then I am going to add juice of 3 medium-sized lemon. If you are taking small size lemon, you can take up to 6. I have taken 3 medium-sized lemon juice. Add it into the mixture. Mix it thoroughly. Allow this mixture to cool down completely. The mixture is completely cooled down. I am going to strain it out. Strain them out. press it out and strain it completely. Now I have strained the complete juice and I have kept the remaining things in a bowl. Now I am going to add essence. I am taking strawberry essence. You can either use strawberry essence or grape essence. Or else, if you get Tonawin essence, that is the correct one which suits with this squash. But here it's not available. So I am using for the time being strawberry essence. You need to add 1 teaspoon of strawberry essence. Note that add the essence only once the mixture has been cooled down. Then only you will get the correct flavor. Mix it thoroughly. When I strained it, I got some little bit amount of beetroot which I have pasted. Since I have diluted and boiled it in the sugar syrup, now this has got a sweetness. So we can use this as a jam, beetroot jam, or as a spread for the breads. If you need, you can add a little bit of cinnamon powder to this. It will enhance the taste. Now we'll see how to mix this. Take 2 glasses. Add 1/4 of the glass with squash. To the other glass also add 1/4 of the glass with squash. Add some ice cubes. Then add water. Mix it well. Your tasty beetroot squash is ready to serve. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe and support.